How are you?
Alright now people, so yet again we're back again. You see me? With the next song, you see me, this is the next song Jacob Banks. I wanna name Slow Up. Guarantee you say the song bad. You see me, that song you feel like parents really. You see me I say? If you really want to look into it like that. But you have to like watch the video of the song, forget the whole concept of the song with itself. You see me? So without further ado, we just start jumping at it. Nice song. Bad artist again. You see me? Nigerian artist. So we are going at it.
What I've learned from the ocean, how to dance and rejoice in the motion. Let the sun have its moment, the moon will come. What I've learned from a soldier, every man is a son to a daughter, and we only remember when we see the blood. Don't grow up on me, keep that backstroke in your afro. Don't you grow up on me, slow up on me. Don't you grow up on me, keep it OG, sip it slowly. Don't you grow up on me, slow up on me. Don't you show off on me, don't you grow up on me, show off on me. What I've learned from a traveler, there's no road that can lead to Nirvana. There's a world to discover, but home is love. What I've learned from a mirror, look too hard and you find you a stranger. Love is just a decision, the choice is yours. Don't go up on me, keep that backstroke in your afro. Don't you go up on me, slow up.
Again, we have to say the money have some vocals that just reach you, so to speak. You see me? In melody, them everything just cool, simple, nice and easy. You see me? Bad artist, man. We have to listen to the artist upon a regular basis. You see me? I say I have to listen to the artist upon a regular basis. I just a vibe I get from him song them still. You see me? And yeah, we just all go back in that song.
Don't you grow up on me, keep it OG, sip it slowly. Don't you grow up on me, slow up on me. Don't you show off on me, don't you grow up on me, slow up on me. Don't you grow up on me.
people, that is it for that song there, you know. Hope you enjoy the song, you see me. Hope like go to the artist page and find a song you actually like if you never like that one, you see me. But we give thanks same way just for the fact that you lend your ears to the channel, you see me, and your eyes too, you see me. So we give thanks to that. I end the video. Just please remember to just like, share and subscribe. And share the video. You see me? Share the video, man. And remember to click the post notification bell. You see me? I'm out.